7,000 miles and starts. Gylfi Sigurdsson is pushed a little further forward. Emil Helfridsson makes an extra man in mid. Albi Celeste. Mascherano becomes the most capped Argentinian of all time. Sergio Aguero preferred a nervous race against time for fitness. In the case of his opponents, it's Messi's last World Cup. We all miss expectation of a planet poised. And Messi whips it in, and got a couple of deflections. No one closer to it than Nicolas Otamendi. Before bouncing harmlessly behind. Flicked in by Messi, flicked on! And steering it only a foot or so wide by a plunging Tagliafico.
First competitive cap. Connecting really adeptly with Messi.
The youngster winning only. Rojo! Aguero! 1 second, 1 moment, 1 hit, 1-0. Argentina off and running! His first World Cup goal! With the... What a tiny take! What a shot! And the South Americans are sizzling. And again, Lionel Messi! Halldorsson's Sigurdsson. Bjarnason! Iceland jumping up and... Argentina are...
Bogason was calm. It's Argentina 1, Iceland 1.
Sigurdsson kept it alive. Bjarnason in post. In by Halfridsson. Salvio couldn't take it. Came to Gylfi. Almost all Argentina, but when to that event, Finn Bogason. Di Maria without swing, header up and over. Represented Argentina at the 2010. Stolen back by Gylfi Sigurdsson, who's made himself a yard here. And Iceland their first corner of the match. From the Icelanders. Sigurdsson. Messi. Oh, Magnuson from the VAR. Szymon Marciniak. And there was very by Wayne Rooney. Messi is denied. Penalty faced was Lionel Messi. Did Hannes Halldórsson his lock. And here is Gylfi Sigurdsson. Deflection, and what a corner. Tagliafico. Banega! Halldórsson's behind it.